Hello everybody, I'm just here going to show you how to make eggs in a microwave. It's really easy. Don't mind the music and stuff, it's just my mom watching TV. And these are the ingredients. 1/a eggs, a bowl, garlic, and a spoon. I forgot to get the garlic, I'll be right back. Okay, it's the garlic salt. The garlic salt. Okay. Okay. I'm going to. Don't worry about how. What? And I'm going to crack the egg and put it in this inside this bowl, this tiny bowl, and stir it up. Shush. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to I'm going to okay, see the egg. See, wait. There it is. The egg and ah! Dang it! Shut up, Ebony! Okay. And I'm going to put the garlic salt in there. Put the garlic salt in there. Can you see the 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 egg with the garlic salt on there? Yeah. Yeah. And I'm going to stir it with this spoon. Just watch me. Okay. You guys might already know how to stir eggs, but you're just gonna watch me do it. Okay. Okay. Still stirring it. And this is easy to do if you know how to cook. Like I do, I'm a good cook. And I'm still stirring it and stirring it. Get out of here. Put my head back on the ball. Anyway. Hey! Stop! That's my sister. Get out! Don't come back. God. She is messing me up. She hit the garlic on the table. Anyways, I'm still stirring. Mama, are you still watching TV? Stirring and stirring. I'm almost done stirring it, so don't worry. Don't worry, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm still stirring. As you can see, this is the egg stuff. The egg stuff, okay. The egg yolk. It looks nasty, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Still stirring. I might be really slow at stirring this, but you guys should know that's what good cooks do, okay? Okay. Still stirring, still stirring. Okay. I'm done stirring it, and this is how it looks. See it? Do you see it? supposed to look like that. These are the eggs that I used. The eggs. You see it? The eggs and the garlic salt. The garlic salt. Here, the garlic salt. And yeah. So now I'm going to take this and put this inside the microwave. See, look how good I stirred it. Now it looks absolutely beautiful. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, that's it. I'm going to put this. Ew, look at the yolks all over the spoon. I was thinking in my mind before I started the video, should I taste the yolk, but I'm not. So here it is. I'm putting it inside the microwave. Here's the microwave. See? This is my really, really ugly microwave. Do you see it? Do you? Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to put this egg yolk inside of the microwave. And I'm going to warm it up on, do you see the numbers? On 1. Oh, it's kind of hard since I'm holding a camera. And then I press start. While that's cooking, we're just going to sit here and put all our stuff back. Putting the eggs back inside the refrigerator, which is where everything is. And that right there, my friend, is my water bottle. Water bottle in the middle. Do you see? Do you see it? Yeah. The one next to the wine thing. But anyways, I'm going to put this back inside my refrigerator and put it back. Did you guys know that I drink coffee? It's delicious. I never get over it. Oh, look at it. You probably can't see it, it's popping like popcorn, and it was floating right in the air. Can you see how good it turned out? Can you see it? Probably can't because I am really bad at taping videos. But see it? Do you see it? Yeah, since it looks like this, I'm going to have to stir it up with our really nasty uncooked yolk spoon. Don't worry, I'm holding it sideways and it's not falling out because it's practically stuck to our really tiny. Dang it! I keep on dropping the camera. See? Look, it's not gonna fall out. Kind of like fake food, right? So I am now stirring our disgusting looking egg, and this is all of it. I dropped it on the table. Don't worry, even knowing this is a really nasty table, it's not like I'm going to eat this anyways. I'm going to give it to my sister. If this is poisonous, she'll sister that knocked down the garlic salt earlier? Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna sit down. Okay. And Mama, can you talk? Then can you talk? I keep on saying tongue. Can you come turn the TV off for me? Mama! Mama! Can you come turn the TV off? I'm doing a video right now, and I can't turn it off. You don't slap me. Stop.
Why you calling my name?
Can you turn off the TV? I'm trying to do a video and it might be too noisy. Yes. Can you turn it off?
Mama!
Come over here.
Don't call me no more.
Come over here.
I got on my panties.
It doesn't matter. They can't see you. We're all over the table.
Look, I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed.
Good night. My mama.
Good night.
Okay. You don't care about me
You
anyway.
made the eggs?
Yes. You don't even care about me anyway.
What in the world is that anyway? What is that down there?
What?
This little picture right there.
Picture of a dog wearing a panda suit. Anyways, go. What you gonna do now?
I gotta get my water.
Can you fix me in the some coffee in the morning before I go to school?
I don't know about that. Are you gonna eat some eggs?
Yes. I'm stirring it up first.
And you don't care about how you look on this thing?
No.
And I
People don't
to do
care
her hair,
anymore.
and she didn't want to do her hair.
She don't do my hair anyway.
Sunday.
She'll never do my hair.
She don't want to put a perm on her hair. You know. But excuse me. And, my hair. I had mine. It was curl, but it's not perm yet. But I will perm it. But her, on the other hand, don't like perming her hair, and I got two of them waiting for her. But no, not Miss Dana. She don't want to perm her hair.
Mama, go back in the room. I only asked you to turn
Good night.
the TV off. Bring my water bottle out here too. Put it right here. Put it right here. Okay, go, please.
I'm about sick and tired.
See how mean my mommy is to me. She don't like me.
Not me.
She doesn't like me.
I do. Me about to have a heart attack.
I am about to have a heart attack.
You made me have a heart. Look how it's frozen.
It's supposed to be frozen. I'll see you later.
All right.
Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night, everybody. She really doesn't care about me.
Yes, I do. You better put that in the line. I know they heard that.
Besides my mother.
Love you. Good night.
Good night. She don't love me. She just trying to lie to y'all. Anyways, I made the eggs. Here they are. Look at them. They might fall out the bowl this time. See, I messed up. Just did all that. Stirred it around. cut it up with the spoon, and now there's no more yolks in it. And you could make it with the egg sandwich and stuff, cheese sandwich, breakfast. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. And I hope you like this. Just so you know, I have Facebook now. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and I can't get Instagram. I already told you guys that I make my videos on a Nextbook, which is practically like an iPad, and I can't do that on here. So this is how you make eggs in a microwave, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.